Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. Take a look. We can find here the curved edge, the curved display. So it will be good if you have this kind of the glass, but in my case, unfortunately, I have only the flat version of the tempered glass. So of course it's not the best solution, but if you are unable to buy the curved glass, like in my case, I recommend you to just apply this flat glass. It will still protect our display better than this default foil from the scratches or even from the breaks. So right now we have to open the glass, the box with our glass, where we can find for sure the tempered glass and also these two wipes. And we have to remember also about the good lighting condition, because we have to see every dust and other mess that we have on the screen. Right now we have to start with the wet one. So right now just clean the screen and make moves and a circle like that. And take a look, after a few moves we easily get rid of all of this mess. So right now we have to remove this wet marks. Okay, and right now we easily remove this wet marks, and we have to start with applying tempered glass. So we have to remove this sticker. Right now we have to keep holding the bottom part and apply the glass just like that. If you have the same version of the glass, so basically the flat, you have to remember to put it evenly for both edges. Okay, when you put it correctly, you have to press right here and release the bottom part. And take a look, it will go automatically, but you can also press with your finger to make it a little bit faster. And right now, if you want to remove these glue marks, you have to press with your finger like that. Take a look at the bottom, as you can see it has disappeared. But also we can make it with this wipe, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, and take a look, we easily get rid of most of these marks, but we can spot a few of them right here. But don't worry, they will disappear after a few moments. And of course, as I said before, we got the flat version of the tempered glass, so that's why we can find here these two air. Why we can find on the edges the air here and here, because it's not sticking to the display, because we got here the curves. Of course, as I said before, it's not the best solution, but if you don't have and if you cannot find the curved glass, you can use this one for a few days or a few months until you get the curved glass. But I will show you how it looks when you turn on the screen. It looks definitely better, so just be patient and wait a little bit. So as you can see right now, we don't have any problem with the touch interaction, and right now it looks definitely better. So you cannot spot right now this air on the edge or these glue marks when the screen is turned on. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.